Alright, so now we have our homepage set up. The next thing we want to do is create our featured slider. So you'll notice pretty easily that there's a weird gap up there. As soon as we start posting items, it'll sort itself out. So each slide is actually a portfolio post, and we're posting it into a specific type, which is featured. And so featured portfolio posts are what get pulled into the slider. It'll make more sense just showing you an example. So, as I mentioned, we're going to be working with this custom post type portfolio. Now let's go ahead and start by adding a type. And the type that we want is very specific. Add a featured type. So we click add. So now we have a featured type. And any post that's created and selected in the featured will display in our homepage slider. And another thing to note, any featured posts that we use in the slider won't get pulled into recent work. It's just so that you don't have duplicates slides and recent work together. So now that we've created our type of featured, let's go ahead and create a post. And I'm going to start off by calling this one slide 1, and we're going to select the type featured since we want it to show up in the slider. And then let's go ahead and upload an image now. I have an image on my computer. I'm just dropping it in. And the next step is going to be selecting use as a featured image. It's this text link right here. So we click it. Then we can just close out of this light box, pop up, and we can publish our post. So let's go ahead and view what we've done now. And now you'll notice we actually have a slide, and it won't show up in our recent work. So the cool thing is if you just want one image, the slider controls will automatically disappear, and then as we add more slides, the controls will appear. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that again. Let's add another portfolio item. So add new. Let's go ahead and call this one slide 2. Make sure we select the featured type that we created, and let's upload an image again. And then we click use as featured image. And now we can publish it. And let's go ahead and view our site now. And now you can see we have our 2 slides. So pretty cool. Another thing you can do is actually type in a description. So description goes here. And it'll automatically make a very basic caption area. See, right there. And you know, it's just basically an easy option if you wanted a small caption. Alright, now the last thing is how to adjust the options. You know, you can disable the arrows, autoplay, all of that is done under appearance and theme options. And then there's a slider tab. And all of the homepage are these 4 things noted as A. So you can change it to the animation to fade. You can turn autoplay on and off, or change the transition speed. Obviously, if you turn autoplay off, the transition speed won't be affected. And we can enable or disable the next and previous buttons. Let's go ahead and just save that. I kind of just played around with those. So I removed the arrows, and now the transitions are fade. So pretty cool how to adjust the options for that. And that's just the featured slider with all the options you'll need.